Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 12th. In last video student we have learned the MySQL database. In that we have covered how to perform the aggregate function with tables, I mean to say relationship and relation, and we have learned what are the joins like equijoin and natural join. Now in this video student we are going to understand how to interface related with database like MySQL along with Python. So here first topic according to the connectivity, here is interface of Python with SQL database. Let's begin student. Here you can see student, a database is nothing but it is organized collection of data. Our data is organized into rows, columns and tables. As we know the prior knowledge, what is database? So here table actually may contain the indexes which allow us to easily and rapidly access the relevant information from database. All companies, whether the large or small use of the database, so it became necessary to develop the project software using any programming language like Python, such a manner in which interface with the database, which is support SQL. So here you can see according to this particular diagram student, here is a database and this is a particular language Python. So here database may contain definitely tables, relations, tuples, triggers, etc. So we can access it with the help of database management system. So here is SQL is not the database, it is not a software, it is a simple query language, I am to say structured query language. Okay, so we can access it with the help of DBase, I am to say database management system. To avoid that, we can access this particular data from the database with the help of Python also. So there are two type of ends are there. The first one thing is front end. Front end will allow you to graphical interface to access that, and back end that provides you the particular data from that, like here database like backend, and here is Python program is front end. So many of the companies, small or bigger one company, are using the different kind of application softwares programming language to access it. In this particular scenario we are going to select Python language to access the database as a front end and back end as a MySQL. So here we can perform the MySQL queries with the help of database like Oracle, MySQL, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, B2B, etc. Now we are going to using the particular Python language to access the database content, I mean to say table, relationship, etc. Now you can see student why we have selected the Python language as a database programming language. Okay, so here the following reasons by which we can understand why we have selected the Python language as a front end to access the database programming. So here programming is definitely more efficient and faster as compared to the other languages, and here portability of Python program is very good. It supports the platform independence program development. As we know the Python where we can develop, the program can be run anywhere. The third one thing, I am to say next one thing, the Python support the SQL cursor. Okay, SQL cursor means, as you know, we have learned in SQL how to access the data by using where condition, by using having clause condition. So cursor will check every record, I am to say tuple of the particular table, I am to say relation. So same way Python support the SQL cursor to access the particular relation, I am to say a tuple from the table. Now next one thing, Python itself take care of open and close connection. As we know, whenever we are connecting Python language with the database, there will be connection. So Python is actually take care of the open and close connections. Next one thing, Python supports the relational database management system. Definitely with the help of this particular feature of the Python, we can use the particular connectivity of the database also. Next one thing, porting of the data from one database management system to other is easy, and it provide you possible at the support large range of API for the various database. So here student, new word has come for you, API, that is application programming interface. You can consider it is a similar like the module. So here student, you can see First one thing, SQL connector. So before we are going to start the connecting the Python program with the database, I am to say MySQL database. So we have to know about the connectors. So before we have to start the connecting the Python language to database, we have to download the database API, that is meant to say DB API, that is database application programming interface. It just looks like module of Pythons also for each database. Okay, so need access. It support what support is provide the facility to access the database like Oracle database. Okay, if we are going to using Oracle database, so you have to download MySQL database connector, and after we have to download that one thing, we have to use the MySQL database modules. Okay, so after that we can easily import MySQL as a module, otherwise it will give you error. So now the database application programming interface actually provides you the minimal standard working interface with the database, and using Python structure syntax, where the possibilities what are the possibility, this API include the following features, I am to say advantage provides us in the term of Python language. So importing API model, then after that acquiring the connection with the database, issue the SQL statement and store procedures, and closing the connection. So student, these 4 points are very important while we are using Python language to connect with the SQL database, I am to say MySQL database. First one thing, we have to import the API module. Which API module? Like MySQL connector. Then after that acquiring a connection with the database. The next statement will come to establish the connection between Python language and MySQL. Then third one thing, issuing the SQL statement and store procedure. So SQL statement like select, like we can say that update. So this statement we will provide through the programming language like Python, and its store procedure. Store procedure means functions, okay, that has some procedural command also. And at last we will close the connection for safety of our database connection. I hope student you have understand these things regarding to how to interface a Python with SQL database. In next video student, we are having the practical along with the theoretical part, how to connect that Python language with SQL database or MySQL database with practical knowledge along with theoretical part also. Till then student, thank you and have a nice day.